What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend. What the hell's that? What is that? A little bit of groove. What is that? Some fingerprint grease or something. Let's get that out of the frame. Ooh, maybe it's from picking my ear. You. Oh, should I put that in a video? Probably not. So we're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 23,292. We're down 4.6 on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 440 billion. 24-hour volume 25.52 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we invalidated an impulsive wave to the upside. We had a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, potential wave 3, but the wave 4 retracement is too deep, so this has been invalidated. So a couple of scenarios that I'm looking at is that we're putting in a large ABC correction, still looking for that wave 2 pullback. So potentially that could bring you down to 22.1, 21.5, which is the golden ratio, and the 0.786. And the second scenario that I'm looking at here is that we've put in a 1-2-1-2, come up for a 1-2, possibly put a 1-2 right here as well. And once again, we put in a 1-2, but we've almost lost this low. So if we come down and we lose that low here, it looks like we may have already wicked below it, which would invalidate it. So I think the ABC correction could be a bit of a higher likelihood to play out here. I've been watching this ascending channel, and we're getting very, very close to the support of the ascending channel here, currently coming in about 22.6, 22.5K. If that support is lost, we lose the support of the 20 EMA, we break down from this channel, higher likelihood that the relief bounce is over, and we're going to see that fifth wave to the downside. As I've been mentioning, I do think it's a more probable scenario that we see one more wave down in this market to bring us down to about 10 to 11 to about 13 to 14K, which has been my primary expectation since we've been seeing this bounce here. I do think this is a wave 3 low. We're putting in a wave 4, looking for one more wave down, but I could be wrong. If we come up and break 29.4K, head up to the golden ratio and validate that as a wave 4 pullback. Now if we look at our next chart, which is here on the daily, we were watching that bull flag pattern. We could potentially be back testing it, but now we also have to watch for that head and shoulders, which you can see on quite a few charts. Here's your left shoulder, potential head, potential right shoulder. The neckline would be quite a bit lopsided here. If we do come down, basically your neckline would do a little something like this, and then I could give you a breakdown target. So basically that head and shoulders could take you all the way back down to about 19.9K. So just something to keep an eye on. We still have this bull flag. We are back testing it. So we'll see if we can bounce here, or if we do break down from this head and shoulders, lose the 20 EMA. I do think the key support is this ascending channel here, where we found support right here. We found support right here at about 20.6K. And once again, that support is coming in at about 22.5, 22.6K, and it lines up with this little cluster of support. So do keep a close eye on that level. In the short term here, potentially we could be putting in an ABC. Now we could potentially bounce from 22.6K or the current level, which is the 0.382, but usually your C wave is the longest wave down, and it consists of 5 waves. So potentially we could be looking at a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. This is your wave 3. We see a wave 4, and the final wave 5 that takes you down to the golden ratio at about 22.1K. Now if we can bounce from this level, we come up and break these highs, then potentially we could be putting in our wave 3 with a minimum target here of about 28.4K for BTC. All right, guys, that is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my spot trades, for my leverage trades, it's $25 a month, as well as my analysis. You can get early access before I make my videos here, and you can sign up through the Patreon link. Not only that, but you also have access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you can sign up through the Patreon link. If you want to trade with me, check out my full length tutorial on Bybit. That's where I do all my trading, up to $4,500 in bonuses. If you want to keep up with my travels and personal life, you can follow me on IG. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.